This last video of 2022 is copyright of LC Trains, Delta Australia, UK PT and OB Studios. All rights reserved. Any copyright will be reported. And it's slowing down, it's going to stop on right there. Oh! Is it going to make triple stay? Maybe it's someone with a fucking photo camera. It's going straight through though. Oh yeah, it goes siding, doesn't it? Yeah. God, it's taking a minute for it to pass. Turn, Lincoln Central! Go to Lincoln Terrace siding! Here we are at Central Bank, now we're crossing at Lincoln with LC Trains, Mini LC Trains, Delta Australia and OB Studio train spotting! Down the first two go! Get back!
God, we're hangmanning.
We hangman! Yes, hangman! Daniel to go! Hangman!
What did you do that
Why'd
for?
you hangman us? First hangman, OB!
Right, okay, it's 14:40.
My word. Did you
now,
show hangman?
Sunday the 20th of November 2022, and we're down for the 14:45. 1 Alpha 61 Grand Central service from Sunderland to London King's Cross.
I think that was you, I think you were in the way.
Why do I get the feeling they're doing that? I didn't try to cross them.
Kayla! We got hangman! Yes! See it?
I'm sure they did that just because we were here. Yeah. They must have done that.
Thanks, signaller!
I do get the feeling it was me.
It was on purpose.
So thanks.
It was on. You're
Well,
welcome.
why did they do that? Why did they do that?
I caught that on camera as well.
I was going to say,
Yeah, we
do you
all
think
did.
we're going to hangman? I was still back here. I probably got the best view.
Yeah, we got a hangman.
That was on purpose, though. I always thought, though.
They've just done that on purpose.
Yeah. The barrier back just going. Doop, doop.
Video.
I'm going to video you.
Camera battle.
Nice. I saw the barrier stuff and I was like, wait, what? Hangman!
And then they kept hangmanning it.
Yeah.
Like the hangman at Thorpe Lane that was caused because I stood too close. That was only like a second.
Yeah.
But this kept going.
Yeah.
I thought we were going to like malfunction or something at that point.
You think we're going
Did
to
you see that hangman? Is it a hangman?
Do you think we're going to hangman next
Did you see the hangman, Dad?
I sort of get a guilty feeling they saw me and they thought I was
No,
going to
they
be a
must have it
danger.
on camera too then.
Yeah, well they did it.
Dad, did you see the hangman? Did you see the hangman? Hangman?
I don't know why they did that though.
It might be
They must have stopped Brayford and OHS as well.
Because they do it by pressing a different button.
They pressed the stop button. They must have.
Yeah,
Either LHS or Brayford was hangmaned as well.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Because they hangman it at the same time.
No, it will be each crossing is lowered separately. They lower each one separately. They close one, then they lower a different one, and they lower the other.
I think that was.
They'd have put Brayford down first, then Lincoln High Street, although actually I think High Street starts first. they'll have set off High Street, lowered Brayford, and then they'll put us down after.
Honestly though, I only uploaded the video a couple of days ago and I've always wanted to catch a rain. But anyways, 3.5
Our
minutes.
viewers probably won't be able to hear anything now anyway.
We've deafened our ears.
We've definitely our viewers
This
now.
is the 1444, 1 out of 61, Grand Central Service, Cross. 180, 107.
London Kings and Grey.
London Kings, hangman! Where did the hangman it? Oh, here it is!
Everyone play.
We've got
Driver wave.
180, 107! Thank you! 180, 107 to London
King's
now!
Cross.
Stand back!
Oh, yeah.
Up they go!
Go. Without a hangman.
Let's ride the wave. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Here we are at Lincoln High Street, level crossing the Lincoln with Delta trains at Delta Australia. Down the first two, go. You need to go and record. Bang! As I said in the group chat, on the damping it clicks. Don't give two, go.
Well, if room for something like worthwhile, I'll probably like film, but
Bang! Okay, it's now 07:39 on Saturday the 3rd of December 2022. Delta Australia will tell the time. What's this for? What's near Lincoln, or is it a test closure?
won't be a test closure. No, there's only one thing that's currently near Lincoln, and that's freight.
Oh, there's a freight coming.
Yeah, well, there's nothing really else, is there?
No.
0319. 0319, 0736, slightly delayed, 4 Echo 08, Great Control, Wakefield Euro 4.
Oh, so it's delayed.
Slightly.
How?
6 minutes.
So it's 6 late. Yeah, I'll put that in the title though. Have you seen that I've started putting in how many minutes late and early it is?
I've always done that.
Yeah, since the weight's down as well.
Yeah, because it's a freight coming over since the line.
We could have caught the Midland Pullman at since about, but we didn't have enough time to play.
Pro on the barrier.
Misuse!
I'm going to scare it away, but it's
Look, that cyclist when it hits the barrier. When it hit the barrier.
yeah. Yeah, it's still straightened out now though. Skirt's still back though.
Yeah, I know. Lincoln High Street's the main crossing in Lincoln, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then
It's definitely the most well known. I think Lincoln High Street is probably like one of the most well known crossings in the UK. It's definitely it's one of, if not the most filmed.
yeah.
Most videos exist. I can see since we're back down.
Can you see the red
Here you
lights?
go. Here it is. Here's the red.
Are you not filming this?
I mean, I might do, but
Here it is!
for our sake, I'll film it anyway.
Thank you, Lincoln Signal and Control Centre, by the way, for turning the lights off. Oh, it's a cargo shipping train.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, look! Broken ped! Broken ped!
Yeah, we didn't start this closure because I'm going to skip out on a few.
Broken ped, look! Leave.
Room for you slightly delayed, 4 Echo 08, London Gateway TV, cargo to Wakefield Euro 4.
Luke, we've got a broken padlock. Can you see the gap? It's flashing.
Probably.
You guys got to...
Broken.
I'll report it. Yeah.
You don't have to report it, it's not a fault.
We've got... 66182. Sensor back's gone off. $66,182 to somewhere and
Wakefield.
to Wakefield and
Wakefield Europort, anyway.
up they go. Thanks guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Here we are at Lincoln High Street, level crossing in Lincoln with Elsie Street at Delta Australia. Down the first two go. Vicious! Fucking idiots.
Point at me.
Down you two go!
Right.
Idiots.
11:32. Saturday, 3rd.
11:32 on Saturday the 3rd of December 2022.
This is the 11:16 5 Golf 01 Northern service from Lincoln Centre to Sheffield. Stop movement rather than an actual passenger service.
God, I got a bit of a late start.
This was obviously meant to be formed as a stop came in from Sheffield, but that was a delayed service, so this obviously stop movement back.
The 11:30, the early one, the stop movement.
It's that one that looks like a passenger but isn't going to be a passenger service, it's just a stop movement.
What's a stop movement?
So it's where it's the coaches themselves are moving, but they're not actually on a passenger journey. It's like it's just
They're
stop
just turning around.
So it's like they're sending the stock over somewhere else to be used, but it's not actually running as a passenger service.
So where's it going to?
Sheffield.
Sheffield Depot.
No, just Sheffield itself, and then probably being put into Depot or something from there. Because that's the only thing on the timetable that's currently.
Oh, here it is already.
I think so.
Oh,
Said it would be.
making closure short at MCBs again.
Why you say that? Or just that name?
1500275. Sheffield and
Sprinter 275 and Sprinter 278.
delayed raise. On they go.
That'll probably be it for now, I think.
And that'll be a bit for now, so thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this last video of 2022. We will see you next year in 2023. Goodbye.